Welcome to the Button Farm Living History Center, home to the Menaire Foundation. I'm Tony Cohen, the founder and president. Let me show you around. Button Farm is located on 40 acres inside of Seneca Creek State Park and the county's agricultural reserve. It's a place for people to gather, commune, and grow. Whether you like camping, hiking, biking, or simply exploring the great outdoors, our farm and its surrounding forests and streams provides a place to disconnect from daily life and rejuvenate the soul. But it is so much more than that. For 2 decades, this farm has operated as Maryland's premier site for interpreting slavery. Through immersive, hands-on storytelling, visitors experience 19th century plantation life, as well as the heroic story of the Underground Railroad. Patented in 1747, it was home to generations of agrarian families, including the Buttons, for whom the farm is named, alongside neighboring Black Rock Mill and historic Brownstown, founded by newly emancipated slaves. Our site features historic structures, an heirloom museum garden, heritage breed animals, and artifacts from the slavery era. Period artisans help recreate the material culture of the era to provide an authentic, sensory experience through taste, touch, smell, sight, and sounds of the times. This is a working farm, unique as a living history experience. Guests become active participants in our daily operations and learn history through the process of replicating it. Visitors help plant, cultivate, and harvest crops that were grown on local 19th century farms. Maryland's larger role in the struggle for freedom is also highlighted here. Discover the contributions of Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, and our county's own Josiah Henson, just to name a few. At Button Farm, we use history as a spark for human potential. In our present moment of racial reckoning, tapping into the experiences and wisdom of previous generations can help all of us to chart a new course in Maryland's unfolding story. Come make history at Button Farm, your window to the past, your compass to the future. For more information, visit us at www.buttonfarm.org.